Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Chunk. Chunk means thick piece. For example, huge chunks of masonry littered the street. Huge chunks of masonry littered the street. Synonyms: lump, hunk, wedge.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Ben swallowed a big chunk of meat and cheese. Now, repeat after me. Ben swallowed a big chunk of meat and cheese. The second exemplar. The thick meaty sauce with chunks of beef and pork was delicious. Now, repeat after me. The thick meaty sauce with chunks of beef and pork was delicious. The third exemplar. The ceiling was breaking and chunks were falling to the floor below. Now, repeat after me. The ceiling was breaking and chunks were falling to the floor below.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The English language does not have a script of its own. The script is actually borrowed from Latin.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.